That is the palace. That's where the Soviet House of Culture or whatever the fuck that building was standing. And then they rebuilt completely the palace as it was, as its old standard. So this one may have been standing here all the time and it's just been rebuilt. I'm just confused. I haven't been here in Berlin for a very long time. So yeah, that's what it is. See, they're restoring this one too. Yes, this is the palace that was demolished completely by the Soviet Union, by the DDR actually. And that one, I'm not sure what it was. But anyways, there's a lot of construction, there's a lot of restoration. Oh. One of the buildings surviving the war. You can see the impacts from projectile all over the facade. We're in East Berlin, obviously. This is a building that was blown off, the ruins demolished completely by the DDR, and then they built the house of the youth or the house of the fucking whatever on top of it, a horrible glass building. And it was rebuilt to its original standards plus this, the Humboldt Forum. And this is right next to the cathedral, the Berliner Dome. Beautiful day in Berlin. Amazingly beautiful weather. A little above 0 degrees Celsius. They did a great job with this. Last time I was around here was this was just an empty lot because they cleared the horrible communist building. They cleared it up, and I have some pictures where I'm walking around the foundations of now the Berliner Palace or whatever. Amazing job.